Hi teachers, welcome back to Roanoke ISD. We're excited about the upcoming school year and we've been waiting for you and planning for you all summer. Let's jump in and show you a few things that we've done for you in the language arts curriculum. I'm Julie DeLeon and I work in the curriculum department for you, so let's dig in. You're looking at the Launching the Readers Workshop mini lesson, the first 15 days. One thing that we did in K5 is we looked at the mini lessons in Benchmark, we combed through them, aligned them to the TEKS, and set up this format where you can see a 15-day plan. Of course, you can adjust as you would like to, especially for at-home learning, where they're going to be learning how to set up their reading and writing environments in their homes the first 3 weeks of school. So you can see we have Benchmark Readers Workshop mini lessons paired with routines, and then in additional resources, often you'll see Jennifer Saravallo lessons. The way this works is you could start the day with a routine and then go into a mini lesson. Or you might do a mini lesson from Benchmark and then realize, oh, this routine is something that we need to work on. So you could do that as a mid-workshop interruption. You may not need to do this routine right now because we have learning environments at home. So really the routines are based on what you observe and what you think your kids need. You may decide that you prefer the Jennifer Saravallo lesson. It's aligned to this TEKS right here, and so you could do that instead. So I'm going to pop back to it and show you where this is located. In the unit plan, you can go to the table of contents, and you'll see these new signs. This is where we've done this update for you for reading mini lessons, writing mini lessons for the launch unit for K through 5. So you would just click on the mini lesson, either reading or writing. It'll pop you down and you can open this. I also want to show you that we've updated grammar study. I'm going to quickly pop down to you. It'll look different for K and 1 and than it is for 2-5 because the structures are a little different. Just so you know, you can go here and you can dig into lots of information, little short documents that can help you get an overview of grammar. So I wanted to show you those things. There's lots more to dig into, but those are short and sweet things to show you. I also wanted to show you, if you're not aware of this Benchmark unit pacing, and that'll show you for your grade the units that are going on and the progression. There have been some changes since last year based on your feedback. So please contact me. Let me know if you have questions. This is just a few of the many things that we have ready for you. More information will come each month in the newsletters as we work through this year together. Have a great day, and please reach out if you need anything or if I can help you at all understand more. Thanks so much, and have a great start.